There was only one ship.
One? Are you sure?
Yes, they called it the Pillar of Autumn.
Why was it not destroyed with the rest of their fleet?
It fled as we set fire to their planet, but I followed with all the ships in my command.
When you first saw Halo, were you blinded by its majesty, Jim?
Blinded?
Paralyzed? Dumbstruck?
No.
Yet the humans were able to evade your ships, land on the sacred ring, and desecrate it with their filthy footsteps.
Noble hierarchs, surely you understand that once the parasite attacked...
There will be order in this council. You were right to focus your attention on the flood, but this demon, this Master Neutron...
By the time I learned of the demon's intent, there was nothing I could do.
Prophet of truth, it has gone on long enough. Make an example of this bungler. The council demands it. You are one of our most cherished instruments. Long have you led your fleet with honor and distinction, but your inability to safeguard Halo was a colossal failure.
It was heresy. I will continue my campaign against the llamas.
No, you will not. Soon, the great journey will begin. But when it does, the weight of your hair will stay your feet, and you will be left behind, Jim.
Fuck. Alright, that's enough of that.